Hi, I'm the founder of PebbleStream. We've done a demo previous to this one that shows you how to use PebbleStream to enhance your Excel modeling experience. If you haven't watched that demo yet, you should watch it before you watch this one. Go look in the description below, click on that link, and then when you're done, come back. If you've already watched it, well, let's go to work. So you'll remember this numbers spreadsheet, and I'll just refresh your memory. We've effectively created a spreadsheet that will take right numbers and left numbers, numbers in these two worksheets, and perform an outer join and then some multiplication. I want to show you how we can make this spreadsheet a process independent of Excel, and we'll do that using the PebbleFlow workflow server. This is a library interface, a view of all the different Pebbles or spreadsheets that are in the PebbleFlow server. You can see there's a couple of partnership accounting spreadsheets here. We'll look at that in a second. But what I wanted to show you is how to actually take the number spreadsheet and make it a process. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload the number spreadsheet into the PebbleFlow server. So I'm going to click, let's choose that spreadsheet. I'm going to compile it. So what it's doing right now is it's converting and extracting the information that's in Excel, the logic that's in Excel, and putting it into what's called a numbers pebble. Here's a visual look of what that looks like. We're effectively lifting the logic out of Excel, encapsulating it in what we call a pebble, and then we can now shift it to run it independent of Excel on our own PebbleStream spreadsheet engine. Let's dig in. Here's the numbers pebble that we created. And you can see there are multiple versions that I've uploaded over a period of time. Here's detail around it. It's just metadata. And here's developer info that describes how to actually access this from an enterprise application. I'll talk about that in another demo. But here I want to show you how genericized this spreadsheet has become. Our PebbleStream Analytics is able to tell that this spreadsheet has a left and right worksheet that it needs as input to run. It's basically what we saw here. I'm going to provide it with that left and right worksheet, my own versions of them, for my own data sets. And so I've uploaded it. Let's take a quick look at the left worksheet. You can see that the headers are just the same as key and left as what you would expect in that spreadsheet. And if we open it, we'll see that we've actually provided 1,000 rows of data. All right, so that's what the spreadsheet expects. Let's run it. So right now it is executing that spreadsheet against the data set we just uploaded, and it'll make it available here as a process job. And you can see that over 300,000 cells were actually produced from this outer join, and that's because instead of providing it with just a few rows of data, we're providing it with quite a few cells, 2,000 cells, over 2,000 cells for both the left and the right worksheets. And it took about a little under 2 seconds to execute. All right, let's have a look at the data itself. Here are the headers. This should not be a surprise. This is exactly what the outer join worksheet expects inside the numbers application. And you can see it's provided 78,000 rows of calculations. There are no formulas in here, it's just the raw result. So what we've effectively done is we've extracted the logic from Excel, and we're no longer in this spreadsheet desktop paradigm. We've executed this on a back-end process completely divorced of Excel. No formulas are going to be produced because we're really focused on producing the raw data. And this is a remarkable result. And just as simple as you saw us do it in this demo, you could do this for other spreadsheets that are, Pebbleized as well, that you've created with Zen. And the nice part about this is now this is part of a library which is accessible via a service URL, which means that applications, ERP applications like Ultrex or SAP or Oracle ERP could actually leverage these Excel spreadsheets that you created by executing them against our PebbleFlow workflow server. And so if I go back and look at the library, just imagine what you can do if you could create spreadsheets that do partnership accounting or lot relief or wash sales or security analysis or risk analysis. Really, the limitation is only your imagination and what you can model in Excel with PebbleStream. Let's just take a quick look at this partnership accounting spreadsheet. You can see, again, this is a very genericized view of what this spreadsheet does. And just as you could do with the number spreadsheet, this spreadsheet can also be executed in the cloud in a generic manner. So really, the sky's the limit. You can do whatever you like, anything that you can model in Excel, and you can model it with PebbleStream, then you can execute it as a process completely divorced of Excel in the cloud, in a cell phone, in a web browser, in your custom applications. Thanks for watching.